Hey guys, guess where I am? I am at Trader Joe's in the middle of the day. We got the sunlight coming down. Unusual for me. Let's go in there and see what new vegan products, if any, they have. I'm sure they have some. Alright, as soon as I walked in, I saw the bread. I went over there and found this baguette. Looked at the ingredients and sure enough, it's vegan. So then I grabbed the ciabatta rolls right next door and they're vegan too. Nice find. And they also had some that were covered in everything but the bagel, which is their popular seasoning, $1.99. And then they have their banana bread, which isn't new, but every once in a while they have it, $3.99. It's really good. And then these chocolate brownie cookies, which were new to me. I've never seen these, so I'm not sure how they taste, but they look good. And they also had the lemon cream ones. And as you can see, these are both just some cookie sandwiches with a creamy center. You know, vegan junk food, vegan baked goods. And you can get it here at Trader Joe's, $4.29. And next to those, we have Every Daisies. These are sugar-coated cookies that are also vegan. It's good to see vegan making its way into the mainstream. But here they are, Every Daisies for $3.99. And next we have Lenny and Larry cookies. These are vegan protein cookies, and you've probably seen these at other places, but Trader Joe's carries them too. Now over in the refrigerator section, I found some more Miyoko's butter and Miyoko's cream cheese. Miyoko's is one of the best vegan dairy out there. She makes awesome cheeses and butters, and then next to that we have the vegan cream cheese. And then the carrot juice. I actually grabbed one of these because the only ingredient was carrots and I didn't feel like juicing my own. And hey, look at that. They even have their own organic vegan yogurt. This is a strawberry. They also have some other flavors. And right next to it, they have cashew beverage. They have plain and mango. This is new to me. And right there on the package, it says vegan, organic, non-dairy. So if you guys have tried this, let me know in the comments below, because I have not. I found vegan pizza dough, and yes, that L-cysteine is a vegetarian base. So here we have pizza dough that you can pick up and make some vegan pizza with. And look at that, I just noticed it has a V on the front, and it's only $1.19. Have you been wondering if Trader Joe's has vegan ramen? Well, wonder no longer, because they do. I found this miso flavored ramen. You just add water, hot water, cooks it, and then you got yourself some vegan ramen, $1.49. And on the other side of the aisle, I found these rice crumbs. I had to pick them up and check them out because the only ingredients is rice and salt. And they're gluten-free because they're made of rice, not bread. And then they have vegan broccoli cal gluten-free pizza crust, which is $4.29. Not that bad. And then a cauliflower plain crust if you're trying to make a gluten-free pizza. These all say may contain traces of milk, and that's not because they do. That's only because they're made in the same facility as products that are not vegan. So these are vegan. And then they have nutritional yeast, which is new. I haven't seen this package of nutritional yeast, so I bought one of those. And then we have vegan tikka masala. I think I revisited that from a previous video. Vegetable Penang curry with jasmine rice. These are ready-to-go meals. You just put them in the microwave or your oven or whatever, or a skillet. And these are all vegan, $2.99 for a meal. And then the falafel. This is cooked falafel, already cooked falafel. If you don't want to make your own, here it is, already made for you. Just heat it up, and it is vegan for $4. Actually, $3.99. And then we have vegetable pad thai. And I love pad thai. They're labeled vegan, and it's $2.99. And then Dr. Prager's. These aren't new here, but these are their vegan burgers that they carry for $3.49. And then over here we have the vegan chicken tenders, the Mandarin chicken, and the meatballs. Now these aren't new either, but these are some of the vegan meats that they do carry. Beet chunks. I haven't seen these before. If you're looking to make beet smoothie or something, beet chunks. Organic chia seeds. Now, chia seeds are great for smoothies, to make pudding, all kinds of things. And here we have pepita salsa, uniquely spicy. I have not seen this before. Here are the ingredients. And if you don't feel like making your own smoothie, you can get one right here for $2.99. And this actually does look pretty good, except for that ethyl alcohol in it. And it's $2.99. Here's some more vegan meats. This is a savory chicken by Lightlife. And they have tenders, and then tofurkey, and also this Lightlife white bean and kale, which I haven't seen this before. So these are veggie deli slices. I might want to try these out at some point. They also have their soy chorizo and the tofurkey sausage. I finally found the gluten-free vegan cauliflower gnocchi. This has been missing in action in my Trader Joe's forever. I've never seen this, but everybody's been talking about it for a while. And I'm picking it up because I finally found it. And what do you know, right next to that we have riced cauliflower bowl for only $2.99. Is that a deal or not? Rice cauliflower bowl. It looks like it's got some pieces of baked tofu in there. And there's the ingredients. It contains soy, vegan. And then the peanut butter banana snacks for dogs, the grain free. There are the ingredients. We checked on this before on a previous video, all vegan. Here I found some mango peel away fruit leather, which is only 59 cents. And then this is always a must at Trader Joe's. These are mango slices. You got to get the ones that do not have any salt or sugar on them though. They're really good. And the dogs like them too. These are new to me too. We have seasoned kale chips. I love the font there. It's almost like a font that I've used before on my videos. And over here we have vegan marshmallows by Trader Joe's. Shh. And right now it's a perfect time to make s'mores while you're enjoying your summer. And right next to that, our last item, we have Scandinavian Swimmers. Is that a play on words? I think it is. Scandinavian Swimmers, Swedish fish, it's gotta be. Anyway, here's the ingredients. They are vegan. And here's where you can follow Trader Joe's on Instagram. And that brings this video to an end. Went in Trader Joe's for some vegan food. Came out with some eucalyptus. As you can see, they definitely have some new vegan things in there if you guys are wondering. And overall, they have quite a bit of vegan food, whether it's been around or brand new. And some of that stuff is new for me, but I know not new for some of you. Like that cauliflower gnocchi. I've never seen it before, so I've never had it, but I know a lot of you guys have been asking me like, hey, you got to try this out. It's just never there when I go there. But there are a few other things that are new, I think, to all of us. And let me know in the comments below if you found anything else that I didn't see here today. You know what I'm about to say. Subscribe, survive, all that good stuff. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video. And I'll do more of these if you guys seem to like these shopping videos. So I will do more of these every once in a while. I like to go to Trader Joe's and kind of make it through the aisles and do my best to find new vegan things. So I'll see you guys in the next video, and watch out for zombies.